Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your JBL Tune 220. So this video will be useful for you when you, for example, have unstable connection between your left and the right earbud or your phone, or for example when you cannot find these earbuds on the available devices list. So first of all, let's remove them right here. So basically disconnect and then forget. Click to forget the device. If you cannot pair them, you will skip this step. So right now, just take a look for the indicators. As you can see, in my case, the earbuds are turned off. So first of all, I have to power them off. How to do this? Just click and hold the left and the right button together for 5 seconds until you will hear this notification sound. So just do this right now. Click and hold. There we go. As you can see, they blinks, and right now indicators, oh, there is the left still working. So let's repeat on the left one to turn it off, because as you can see, the right one is it's turned off. Take a look on the left indicator. It blinks 2 times white, and right now both earbuds are turned off. And then we have to use only the right one. So we have to click and hold on this button on the right one for 5 seconds until this indicator starts blinking quickly blue and white. So let's do this right now. Keep holding. And right now release. Release when this indicator is blinking blue and white. Put them close to your device, do not put them back to the charging case. And on your device, I can also recommend you to smoothly restart the Bluetooth. So turn it off, and after a few seconds, like 5 seconds, just turn it on back. Next, go to pair new device and select the JBL Tune 220 from the list. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's my way to fix connection issue of this earbuds. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.